Welcome to our exploration of Akamai Cloud Edge, a pivotal technology in the landscape of modern web applications. Akamai Cloud Edge offers a robust cloud-based solution that enhances the delivery and security of digital content. By distributing content closer to users, it dramatically reduces latency, enhances performance, and improves user experience. Utilizing a vast network of servers located around the globe, this geographical distribution ensures that content is available near the user, thus speeding up load times and reducing the chance of bottlenecks. It's a scalable solution, able to handle sudden spikes in traffic without compromising the performance of a website or application. As businesses continue to grow and digital demands increase, the importance of efficient content delivery cannot be overstated. Akamai Cloud Edge not only meets these demands but also provides a competitive edge by ensuring that web applications are fast, reliable, and secure. The following sections will delve deeper into its features, setup, and best practices. Moving on to the key features and setup process of Akamai Cloud Edge, which is renowned for its comprehensive set of features designed to enhance web performance. Its key offerings include content delivery, cloud security, and dedicated support. Each feature is tailored to optimize the speed and safety of web applications, making Akamai a leader in the CDN market. Setting up Akamai Cloud Edge involves a few critical steps. First, users must define their content delivery needs, including identifying the type of content and expected traffic. This step is crucial as it helps in configuring the CDN to meet specific requirements. Next, integrating Akamai with existing infrastructure is streamlined through APIs and management tools that Akamai provides. The setup process is supported by Akamai's technical team, ensuring that even those new to CDNs can navigate the setup with ease. As more organizations opt for cloud solutions, having a straightforward setup process allows for a smoother transition and quicker realization of benefits. The next section will explore how to maximize these benefits through optimization and security enhancements. Now let's dive into optimizing performance and security using Akamai Cloud Edge. This involves several strategies. Firstly, leveraging its advanced caching mechanisms can dramatically decrease load times. Akamai's intelligent caching system ensures that static content is stored closer to users, reducing the need to fetch data from the origin server repeatedly. Secondly, Akamai offers features like image and video optimization. These tools automatically adjust the quality of content based on the user's device and network conditions, ensuring optimal delivery without sacrificing user experience. This is particularly crucial as multimedia content increasingly dominates web traffic. Security is another cornerstone of Akamai's offerings. It provides robust defenses against various online threats, including DDoS attacks, SQL injection, and cross-site scripting. By using Akamai's security measures, businesses can protect their data and maintain user trust. As cyber threats evolve, utilizing Akamai's adaptive security measures is vital for maintaining a secure online presence. Effective monitoring and analytics are essential for any web application. Akamai Cloud Edge excels in providing detailed insights into web traffic and performance metrics. This data is crucial for understanding user behavior, identifying bottlenecks, and making informed decisions to enhance performance. Akamai's real-time monitoring tools allow administrators to keep a close watch on system performance and react promptly to any issues. Whether it's a spike in traffic or a potential security threat, Akamai's tools enable quick identification and resolution of problems, minimizing potential disruptions to service. Moreover, the analytics provided by Akamai are not just quantitative, but also qualitative. They offer deep insights into user engagement, content effectiveness, and geographic performance variations. These analytics help in fine-tuning strategies and in making data-driven decisions that align with business goals. The next section will discuss how to further leverage these capabilities through advanced tips and integration options. To fully leverage Akamai Cloud Edge, it's beneficial to explore advanced configurations and integration options. One advanced tip is to use Akamai's edge computing capabilities to run custom code closer to users, reducing latency and improving response times. This is particularly useful for dynamic content and interactive applications. Additionally, integrating Akamai with other cloud services enhances functionality and streamlines operations. For instance, Coupling Akamai with cloud storage solutions can optimize content delivery and backup procedures. Such integrations not only boost performance but also enhance the scalability and flexibility of web applications. Lastly, staying updated with Akamai's latest features and regularly attending training sessions can significantly benefit users. Akamai constantly evolves, adding new features and improving existing ones. Staying informed and utilizing these advancements can provide a significant competitive advantage in today's fast-paced digital environment. Embracing Akamai Cloud Edge can dramatically transform the performance and security of web applications. From its robust content delivery network to its advanced security measures, Akamai provides a comprehensive solution that caters to the increasingly complex demands of modern web environments. Businesses looking to improve their web applications should consider Akamai not only for its performance optimization capabilities, but also for its potential to significantly enhance user experience. In an era where speed and security are paramount, leveraging Akamai's offerings can provide a crucial edge over competitors. In conclusion, whether you are a seasoned tech professional or a business owner seeking to enhance your digital presence, Akamai Cloud Edge offers the tools and capabilities to meet and exceed your expectations. By following the outlined steps and best practices, users can ensure they are getting the most out of their investment in this powerful technology.